Haier Instant Electric Water Heater. Knob control simple and easy to operate. Temperature visible, comfortable wash. Bubble elimination technology. Extends service life, eliminates security risks. Multi-point water outlets, instant comfort across multiple outlets. Patented shock-proof technology 2.0. The shock-proof icon will light up for early warning. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material. Copper heating tube leads instantaneous to a new level. Increases the heating area. Thickened copper tank, fast heating and long lifetime. Enjoy a smart thermostatic bathing anytime. A whole family safe bathing guarded. There are more options to choose from.